Welcome to the new set, nearly completed, of Channeling Luxury with Dani B. I am Dani. You will see me in future videos, and I'm really excited to show you what I've completed here. So definitely have most of this put together. There's still a few minor tweaks that need to be done, but I will, in later videos, walk you through some of the bags on the left and the right in detail. I did finally find a good, solid working mirror that was not poor quality. That was definitely a problem, finding something in here that would fit and do a nice job to show you the ready-to-wear collections, and also finding the right color rug. I know it seems really silly and small in the grand scheme of things, but the color was just really throwing off the room. So it was kind of making some funky lighting issues and so on. So I think I have most of this done. If you think that you might find some of these unboxings, unveilings, ready-to-wear collections, the bags from lots of different designers interesting in the future, I would love it if you would subscribe to be notified of new videos. And we are just about to get started. So thank you for hanging in there while I build this set. And so official video 1 coming very soon.